Hey guys, thanks for tuning in to my Morphe palette review. Today I'm going to be reviewing my Morphe palette as well as the lip gloss. So one thing I will say about this Morphe palette is that I love how the colors just went on so smoothly. Another thing about the Morphe palette is that the colors actually really blend very well together. Now, I'm no expert when it comes to blending makeup. I'm really just starting this off. But as you can see here, I was adding in some of the darker shades towards the end, trying to put the lighter shades towards the center of my lid. So I was trying to go for a smoky look, and I think I did a good job. You guys let me know in the comments below what you think. I really loved how the lighter shades of Morphe go so smoothly on top of the darker shades. I didn't have to put a whole lot of extra eyeshadow just for it to show. So here, as you can see, I'm putting on my baking powder. I have the Revolution baking powder in the color Banana. So I use my setting spray by Morphe just to go ahead and set my face after I smooth out all of that baking powder. So here what I'm doing, guys, is I'm about to use the black color inside of this palette just to put it on my lids. I use that as an eyeliner because I don't like actual eyeliners. I find that they hurt my eyes too much when I'm trying to put them on. Maybe I'm just not super light-handed. I made a couple mistakes, but I fixed it up with a little bit more foundation, as you can see, and I actually had to go back in, do more powder, all of that all over again. Even though I just set my face, it was a task, guys, but I'm learning, and I'm learning well. I think I'm doing pretty good. You guys let me know what you think. If you have any tips and tricks, just let me know in the comments below. So here I'm just blending out the new concealer I just put on my face since I put the foundation back on. And if you guys haven't seen the video already, I will link it right at the top of the screen. So I did two different foundation colors, one 330 and 332 Maybelline Fit Me on each side. So this is the part 2 of that video. Actually, I'm just finishing the look off. So this is actually my first time using a color underneath of my eye on the bottom lid. I decided to go with that brown color from this same Morphe palette. Now I'm going in with my Saharan Blush palette by Juvia's Place, and I'm using that brown color just to go around my head, and I'm also going to use it for my contour. Now I heard that when you're doing contour, you're supposed to brush upwards, so that's what I've been doing. What do you guys think? Should you brush upward, or is there another better way to do it? Now I'm just going in with my blush, guys, and what I always do with my blush is I try to blend it in after I put it on, because I don't want it to look too harsh on my face. So that's what I'm doing right here. So now I'm about to use my Morphe lip gloss. I'm not sure if it's a lip gloss or a lipstick. I'm going to assume it's a lip gloss since it's in that tube. But I really do love it. It didn't cake up or anything. Like if you press your lips together, it won't start sticking together. So now you just see me put it on highlighter. I'm just putting that on my cheeks. I also put it on my nose and my brow ridge. Oh, and I also put it on my chin. pretty much finishing up here, guys, with my makeup look. So this is the finished look, and just let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Do you like it? Do you not? Do you have any tips or tricks? So overall, I really did love the Morphe palette. I love their products.